Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I'll be showing you how to make lineless art. I did not draw this, I'm just using this as an example. It's really easy to make lineless art. So, if you're on Ibis Paint X and you just imported a photo, or you can go to Filter, go to Adjust Color, and you're going to click on Extract Line Art. And you adjust it till you're satisfied. Now if you look, it's clear. There's no white. And I am going to put the layer on multiply. I'm going to lower the opacity. And I'm going to make a new layer underneath. So what you're going to do with this layer is you're going to choose a skin tone. I'm going to start with the skin. So this looks about good. I'm going to take my bucket tool and we are going to increase the expansion. We're going to adjust till we see that it completely covers lines around it. I'll explain why later. So you're going to fill in all the areas that need fill. Think of it as layers. The head, the face, I don't like that skin tone, is gonna be on a different layer. Than the neck, because the neck is darker. And the hair will be split into different sections. I'm just gonna use a black. I'm using the brush digital pen. Yes, digital pen. Sorry, I can't remember the names. And what I'm doing is I'm splitting the hair into sections to make this easier. This right here, this area right here is going to be section 1. This here is going to be section 2, and everything in the back is going to be section 3. It's easier to split it into sections. I'm going to split it right there. No, I'm going to keep it that way. This area right here is going to be a slightly darker color. And I want to make her hair, let's make it purple. We're going to start with the lightest purple on a new layer. We're going to go to bucket tool. We're going to just fill that part up. I'm going to do this for the next couple of layers for the hair. It's not perfect, but we'll get to that. We're just creating the different layers. Next, we're going to move on to her clothes. For the clothes, we're going to do the same thing as we did for the hair, putting the lighter colors at the top and the darker colors at the bottom. colored yet, because I'm using white now. And lastly, we are going to do the eyes. I'm just gonna give her brown eyes. Something simple, because her outfit is, and her hair really pops. And it's time we add something simple to balance it out. And of course, we are going to, I'm going to delete this layer because it's not necessary. Going to fill in the eyelashes where it needs it. And I'm just gonna, because the bucket tool didn't fill right there, I'm just gonna come in and fix it up. I'm also gonna lower the color a bit, and I'm just gonna trace the mouth and the nose. This is your piece of lineless art. Now we're going to come in and look at the finer details. For example, there are some gaps right there, and right there. I'm just gonna clean it up a bit. That's all guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching, bye!